watching the station covering all of the DMV. DC News Now continues.
And out there yesterday, we did see a lot of rainfall. It was a wet Wednesday out there. And overall, in terms of how much rain we did see across much of the DMV, we're talking about right around an inch. This is radar estimated in DC. A little bit more than that as you head a little bit eastward of the I-95 corridor, at least an inch and a half closer towards Annapolis and Bowie, and even down towards La Plata, at least an inch and a half of rainfall had fallen there yesterday. Off towards the north and west, out towards the I-81 corridor, at least a quarter of an inch, even closer to half of an inch over out towards our north and western zones. And thankfully now we're starting to know some drier conditions, although with the patchy dense fog we're seeing in some parts of the area, we are seeing a little bit of that mist that is looming. So you may need still that raincoat before you step out the door, but then eventually we should notice some more dry times as opposed to wet times through the day today. Satellite radar shows us that low that brought us all that rain yesterday continues to move its way off the coastline, and we're tracking some drier conditions, although some patchy fog and some mist is looming. Visibility down about 2 miles in Frederick, about 9 in DC, 4 in Martinsburg, down to 2 miles in Winchester, about 1 to 3 miles visibility. Woodstock, Luray, Culpeper, less than that over towards the mountains region. Cumberland, less than a mile of visibility there. But temperatures, those are relatively mild to kickstart the morning. Mid upper 40s to low 50s. This is more typical of the average high temperatures for this time of the year. And that's what we're starting off with out there this morning. So later on today, we'll see those temperatures cranking up mid to upper 50s to near 60. So this is looking like the warmest day out of our work week with high temperatures and approaching 60. Now, it really will depend on how much sun does break out later on this afternoon. We could see a few locations reach that 60-degree mark. Can't rule out that chance for a stray shower through the day today. Aside from that, we should be much drier than what we saw yesterday. So that's the good news there. As we get towards overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, mainly cloudy. Overnight lows will be a little bit cooler, back into those upper 30s to low 40s before only warming back up to right around 50 degrees tomorrow afternoon. Likely many of us will struggle to make it out of the 40s for your Friday afternoon. Highs today, like I mentioned, nearing 60 for most of the area. Tomorrow, likely near 50 degrees, so about a 10-degree difference from today to tomorrow. Then as we look at the weekend, the final weekend of 2023, a little bit cooler both weekend days, upper 40s. Now Saturday cannot rule that threat for an isolated mountain snow shower as we do see a frontal boundary push through. We're upper 40s to near 50 on Sunday under a mix of sun and clouds for the final day of 2023. Now Futurecast shows us that we do have this frontal boundary over the area as we get towards Friday that could spark that stray shower. Aside from that, should start to notice some drier conditions as well. Then a cold front will slide through, and like I mentioned, that could spark up some snow showers back out towards some of the mountains region and those higher elevations. Aside from that, we will be dry for the final weekend of 2023. But as we're bringing in the new year, here's your New Year's Eve planner for Sunday later on the evening. Partly cloudy by about 6 p.m. Temperatures mid 40s. 9 p.m. a few clouds, but temperatures continue to drop lower 40s. And we're likely ringing in the new year at midnight with those temperatures into the upper 30s, at least in the district. Elsewhere, though, likely a little bit colder, especially in the suburbs, likely into those mid to even upper 30s at that point. But that 7-day outlook, we're going to be seeing that first day of 2024 with those highs into the mid 40s under a mix of sun and clouds. Low to mid 40s next Tuesday and Wednesday with a little bit more of that sunshine. Liberty is back with the latest on those roadways. What are you tracking?